Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will walk through the syllabus for the Dell Backup and Recovery Solutions for Technology Architects exam. This quick guide explains each domain, its weight, and what you must learn. The exam covers 7 domains with these exact weights. Data domain 23%, Networker 20%, Avammer 20%, Data Protection Advisor 12%, Data Protection Search 10%, Power Protect Data Manager 10%, and Data Protection Central 5%. Domains vary in difficulty and recommended study time, and assessments are a mix of conceptual and scenario-based questions. Use the weights to prioritize your study plan. Data domain is weighted 23% and focuses on fundamental storage efficiency, deduplication, and integration with backup software suites. This is a hard domain with an estimated 35 hours of study and a conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. You will learn data domain hardware and software components, deduplication and file system architecture, DD-Boost and DFC configuration, and how to manage storage units and M-tree structures. The syllabus also covers cloud tier and long-term retention, replication types and topology design, security features like data sanitization and retention lock, and performance and capacity monitoring. Networker carries 20% and concentrates on enterprise-level backup management, recovery workflows, and cross-platform protection. This hard domain requires about 30 hours of study and uses conceptual plus scenario-based assessment items. Candidates will master networker architecture, core processes, and managing the media database and client file index, as well as server and client resource configuration. You will also learn device and jukebox management, how to define backup policies and workflows, perform directed and browsable restores, integrate with data domain and DD-Boost, and understand networker snapshot management fundamentals. Avammer is also 20% and emphasizes client-side deduplication, virtual machine protection, and system maintenance. This hard domain expects roughly 30 hours of learning and is assessed with conceptual and scenario questions. You will study Avammer deduplication principles and variable length segments, the server architecture and node types, and client installation for file-level backups. The syllabus includes domain and user management, policy-based scheduling, restore operations, integration with data domain through DD-Boost, and VMware image-level protection for virtual machines. Data Protection Advisor accounts for 12% and focuses on monitoring, automated reporting, and data collection across the protection environment. This medium difficulty area needs about 15 hours of study and uses conceptual and scenario-based assessments. You will learn DPA architecture, how to install and configure the server and collectors, and how to set up data collection for Avammer, Networker, and other products. The syllabus also covers running and scheduling standard and custom reports, user and role management, analysis engine rule creation, and dashboard customization with alert configuration. Data Protection Search is 10% and centers on indexing metadata and providing global search capabilities for backup data. It is medium difficulty with an estimated 10 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment tasks. Candidates will learn DP search architecture and node types, how it integrates with Avammer and Networker, and how metadata indexing works and is maintained. You will practice performing global searches across protection environments, managing search clusters and index health, and exporting search results for recovery or compliance use cases. Power Protect Data Manager represents 10% and targets modern workload protection, cloud integration, and policy-driven automation. This medium domain requires about 15 hours of study and is assessed with conceptual and scenario-based questions. The syllabus covers PPDM architecture and discovery of virtual and physical assets, protection policy configuration, and storage target management. You will also learn Kubernetes and containerized workload protection, identity and access via LDAP or AD, system health reporting, and cloud disaster recovery configuration. Data Protection Central is 5% and provides a unified management dashboard for centralized oversight of protection systems. This easy domain needs about 5 hours of study and uses conceptual plus scenario-based assessment items. You will learn initial installation and setup, how to integrate Avammer, Networker, and DPA into DPC, and how to monitor multiple systems from a single dashboard. The syllabus also covers identity source configuration, single sign-on, and environment-wide reporting on backup success and health. In summary, the full syllabus totals about 140 hours of recommended study time and blends hard and medium-level domains with mostly conceptual and scenario-based assessments. Use the domain weights to focus time on data domain, networker, and AVMR first, then follow with DPA, DP search, PPDM, and DPC. Good luck studying and visit the official Dell documentation for hands-on labs and detailed reference material.